This week I'm testing the 7-seater Skoda Kodiaq. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Skoda Kodiaq there are ISOFix in the second row to outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all 3 second row seat backs there are top tether anchorages within plastic guides and nice and easy to access and connect. Now I found I could just squeeze 3 child seats across this second row. Now it really does depend on which child seats you use. Bigger models you definitely won't get 3, but if you choose 3 slim ones you will just fit them in. I also found I could just squeeze in that central seat between 2 slim child seats. Now, legroom is a consideration in here. With a rear-facing child seat in the second row, we found we could just squeeze a 160cm driver in front, and I didn't have enough knee or kick room in that third row, and I'm only 162 centimetres. Now, there are no ISOFix or top tethers in that third row, so I couldn't put any child seats back there, and you can't access that third row seats with child seats installed in the second row either. Storage in the second row of the Skoda Kodiaq is quite minimal. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They are quite small though, and I found a reusable coffee cup wouldn't fit, only a disposable coffee cup or a 600ml water bottle. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. The door bins are a good size back here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle. In the third row there's a little bit of storage on either side, cup holders on the left hand side and a little phone well on the right. Storage in the front is better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console here. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a few other little storage things in there for your lipstick, a card holder, coin holder, things like that. The central console box is quite small behind, but this lid does double as your armrest. In front of the gear lever there's a phone charging well with a 12-volt socket and USB. The glove box is a double glove box. You've got the bottom one which has a cooling element and also the top one which was big enough for an iPad. There's a little net on the side of the central console, good for a phone or something like that. The door bins are a good size back here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle. You've got a bin in the driver's door and there's umbrellas in the doors as well. The boot door of the Skoda Kodiaq opens and closes nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. When using all 7 seats, 7 shopping bags will fit, or a twin side-by-side stroller with a wheel removed and 2 shopping bags, a tandem stroller with a wheel removed and 1 shopping bag, a single stroller with 2 shopping bags, or a compact stroller with 5 shopping bags. When using only 5 seats, 15 shopping bags will fit, or a twin side-by-side stroller and 6 shopping bags, a tandem stroller and 7 shopping bags, a single stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 11 shopping bags, or a large dog. The Skoda Kodiaq is a nice little car to drive. It's got a very small footprint for a 7-seater, so if parking's a consideration then it's definitely worth a look at. Now that makes it really nice to drive around town, also school car parks, supermarkets, things like that. It's really nice and easy. It's relatively smooth and quiet. It's just a nimble and nice little car to drive. The media system in the Skoda Kodiaq is really lovely and simple and easy to use. You can swipe your hand in front of the screen instead of touching it, which is great. One of the great features in here is not only can you control the rear aircon from the front, but you can lock it also to stop little fingers in the back from fiddling with it. However, there are no aircon vents in the third row seats. Another is you can change the colour of the background lighting inside the cabin, and my daughter loved picking a colour each day. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is really good. And when you put it into reverse, there is a nice clear camera image, and you do get a bird's eye view, as well as being able to change the camera angle on the right hand side on the screen and mute the parking sensors on the left side of the screen. So So to sum up with the Kodiaq, it is great small footprint 7-seater if parking is a consideration for you. However, it only just squeezes those 3 child seats in, and access to that 3rd row and legroom is quite tricky. The media system is really good and boot space is excellent too. Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.